welcome back to Penny Props, and today we're going to review this NERF MA40 Nerf rifle. But it's not going to be a review on the Nerf gun, it's going to be like a cosplay review, like how good this is for cosplay. There's plenty of Nerf reviews for this gun as a Nerf review, go check them out, but this one is strictly from a perspective of someone who works on video game props and like for something you want to use for cosplay. So I'm going to put this on the bench. I'm going to bring the camera towards me and we're going to have a nice little look at this. Like I said, this is a review purely on a prop perspective. I won't be firing it, there's plenty of videos on that. But anyway, first things first, it looks actually pretty decent, to be honest. Like, the colour's not very desirable, but it's a Nerf gun, so you've got to allow them that. But everything's in proportion, and that's what I really appreciate this. Yes, it may be a bit small, but it's not like the Boomco assault rifle where like the front portion's bigger and the back is shrunk. It's all in proportion. It's all the same size all the way around. So like I said before, it is a nice size. It feels good in the hand. It's got a nice firing sound. The ammo counter is really nice. It's got a little bit of plastic in front of the printing. I would honestly recommend replacing that. I'm going to put a more game accurate one. I'll make a free graphic for you guys for that so you can swap it out and change it. It's got a few like embossed areas what I'd honestly probably sand down when I make mine. Well, the next video is going to be that. My main gripe about this is the ugly side. It has got so many screw holes all everywhere, and it's really annoying because there are lots of fake screw holes where they could have put these and balance it out a little bit. So for a prop I would fill this in, but at the same time it's going to be to your body and no one's really going to see it, but it's going to bother me. So the magazine comes out a little bit awkwardly, but it's a nice sized magazine and it's probably more realistic than most of the magazines in the game anyway. Functionality here, that's for the jamming for the Nerf darts. It's a bit chunky, but I understand that because it's a toy and I can allow that. It's got this nice, sort of really nice texture grip. It's like the same kind of texture the ones I do on my props, so it's actually really nice. It's got that little detail in it. But it makes an excellent prop. It's like £50 and just a nice little paint job. It's a simple paint job to this. Can do wonderful to it. But I'm going to get some more body shots and explain some more about it. So the size is not too bad. It could be a little bit bigger, as I said, but it's in proportion and I appreciate that. And to be honest, in Halo games, especially Halo Reach, you give a marine assault rifle which shrinks, you pick it up, it goes bigger. It's Halo scaling is all subjective in my opinion anyway, so if you painted this up really good, I don't think anyone would care. It's not a bad prop, it's sturdy, and like that's one thing I like about Nerf guns. They are built to be thrown around, and especially when I'm at a convention, I'd rather bring this than one of my expensive 3D printed props, because if that breaks I'll be heartbroken. If I drop one of my assault rifles it will probably break, but if I drop this it will be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this up and use it for the show floors at conventions, and just use my nice 3D printed props for photo shoots because there's like less chance of getting damaged. But anyway, if you made it this far, give me a like and comment below what you think about it, and you know, subscribe and stay tuned to Penny Props. We'll be doing some more exciting videos. So anyway, thank you for my patrons as usual up here, and I'll see you very soon. See you later.